Bullish Waves cost expectation for 2022 is $2.61 to $6.85. The Waves cost will likewise reach $2 soon. Bearish Waves cost expectation for 2022 is $1.47. In Waves cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Waves to examine the future development of the digital money. Waves current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Waves is $1.55 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $39,602,879 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Waves has diminished to 0.62% as of now. Besides, Waves has a flowing inventory of 110,216,308 Waves. Presently, Waves exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Bybit, BingX, OKX, Kraken, BTCEX, Gate.io, and Bitget. What is Waves? Waves is the local badge of the Waves blockchain sent off in 2016. This blockchain empowers clients to make new and custom crypto tokens. Additionally, it permits designers to make and send off decentralized applications by means of custom-savvy contracts. The records on Waves work on rented confirmation of stake, an extraordinary POS agreement instrument. LPOS allows clients to partake in the block approval process by renting their Waves tokens in particular hubs. Waves is sent in the administration of the blockchain and can be marked or rented for remunerations. These installment tokens can be exchanged on its local Waves trade and, surprisingly, on outsider brought-together trades. The above diagram of Waves spread out a slipping widening wedge example. A diving extending wedge means that bullishness, made by two bullish lines veer. Legitimacy of a plunging widening still up in the air by how well the wedge sways between the two vertical lines. The obstruction line is above, while the help line is beneath. Right now, Waves is at $1.55. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Waves could arrive at the obstruction level of $2.04 and $3.39. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Waves might tumble to $1.48. Waves backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of the Waves. From the above day-to-day time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of the Waves. The outlines show that Waves has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Waves could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $6.85. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the Waves could dive to nearly $1.47, a negative sign. Waves Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of the Waves is displayed in the beneath graph. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for dealers. Right now, the RVOL of Waves lies beneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Besides, the moving normal of the Waves is displayed in the above graph. Remarkably, the Waves cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a descending pattern. As of now, Waves is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of Waves whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the Waves is at a degree of 34.38. This implies that Waves is almost in an oversold state. In any case, this gives certainty to the merchants to exchange with practically no apprehension. Waves Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of the Waves. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Waves. At present, Waves lies in the scope of 47.21, demonstrating serious areas of strength for A. From the above diagram, the general unpredictability file of Waves, RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Waves lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, Waves RSI is at 34.38, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of Waves with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Waves. From the above graph, it very well may be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and Waves are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Waves likewise increment or reduction individually. Waves Value Forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Waves could presumably accomplish $10 by 2023. Waves Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Waves could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Waves could energize to hit $15 by 2024. Waves value expectation 2025. If Waves supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Waves would mobilize to hit $23. Waves value forecast 2026. If Waves supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Waves would mobilize to hit $30. Waves value forecast 2027. If Waves supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Waves would mobilize to hit $35. Waves value forecast 2028. If Waves holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rally. Hence, by 2028, Waves would hit $42. Waves value forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Waves, it would observe significant spikes. Waves could hit $51 by 2029. Waves value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Waves biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Waves for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Waves could hit $60 by 2030. And, with non-stop upgrades in the Waves organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Waves. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Waves in 2022 is $6.85. Then again, the negative value expectation of Waves for 2022 is $1.47. Besides, with the progressions and redesigns in the Waves biological system, the presentation of Waves could hit $2 acquiring financial backers consideration. It would likewise transcend its unequaled high of $61.30 sooner rather than later. 1. What is Waves? Waves is an administration token on the Waves blockchain working on the rented confirmation of stake. It was sent off in 2016 and later in 2020. It was sent off as an ERC20 token interoperable with Ethereum. 2. Where might you at any point buy Waves? Waves has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Bybit, BingX, OKX, Kraken, BTCEX, Gate.io, and Bitkit. 3. Will Waves come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Waves stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Waves? On Walk 31, 2022, Waves arrived at its new all-time high of $61.30. 5. Is Waves a wise interest in 2022? Waves is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As indicated by the recorded, Waves is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Waves in the beyond couple of months, Waves is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Waves reach $2? Waves is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the long run, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds,